I don't know how well you can see what's happening right now. I'm doing another test in my new GoPro, my GoPro Hero 12. I'm testing at night, so I'm doing a night drive POV. That's what I'm doing. So I don't know how well you can see me. Well, not me, but the whatever's on the screen right now. Hopefully it's good. If it's good, buzzing. If it's not, then we know we can't do nighttime POV drives. But I've got the blue lights on, if you can see that. But yeah, I'm coming onto countryside roads. My fuel lights come on, so I'm just gonna go fuel up, and I'm gonna send it a little bit, and then fuel up, get something to eat. I'm going home. Pitch black outside. A lot better now that the lights have come on. I'm pretty sure I've just flew past the copper making all this racket, but it's fine, it's for the content. Again, I'm just worried about the angle because I've not looked at what it looks like, because again I started the video midway through driving. But yeah, let's see. If you heard that little crackle and a pop, even though I've had the pops and bangs removed, still to this day puts a smile on my face every time I hear it crackle and pop. We get past this camera and we floor it. Drop it down to 40, 35, so we're not speeding. The car does get off, man. Even though it's only stock, it gets off, man. Should we do a little launch from here? It's here nice. It's 5 minutes past midnight. Man trying to sleep and I'm making all this noise, and it is raining again. Any wind noises. Again, slow drivers. Every time I film, always a slow driver in front. I'm filming out 5 minutes past midnight. There should be no one out on the road at this time. You know what, should we just fuel up in here? Yeah, I'll just bring it back around. I'm hoping you can see very well out the screen and stuff. Yeah. Again, weather's atrocious, man. Got stuck there, what the hell? Almost lost it. Fish got stuck. I'm not going to go to the petrol station, I'm going to go to one a bit further up, so I get so I've got enough in the tank anyways. Just the lights just come on, so it's not too bad. it will last me to my next location. This is in about 10 miles, but it'll be about 4 miles I reckon, and the next one's only a mile away. I messed my clutch up. Clutch keeps getting stuck. Could be because of the weather, because it's raining and it's wet, it's damp. Right, let's behave a bit, because if the clutch is dodgy, I don't really want to be ragging it and gear changing and risking the car spinning out. It is losing traction. It's spinning every time I go to floor. It's spinning. Can't believe I almost got on camera. Me almost losing it. Bridge here where we can floor it under. Not too heavy because there is roadworks there, a few cones and barriers and stuff, so won't go over the top with it. We'll give it a bit. How are there so many people driving at this time? That did sound nice, that did sound very nice. The speed limit, and I've still kept up to this guy, man. I say kept up, I caught up. That's my brakes, that is. That's my brakes making that noise. Squeaking. Might have to get them changed. quiet. Let's behave for a bit now because there's a copper right there. That BMW, if you can see, that's a copper. And there's a speed camera right there. Oh, I didn't see that. I knew there was one coming up though. There's a few coppers in front as well. You can see the reflections. Oh. This might get me in trouble, but you know what? He's right there, the copper. You know what guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. This has been the nighttime POV drive. I don't know how well the quality has been. Yeah, I don't know how well the quality has been, but there are a few coppers here and I don't want to draw attention to myself by having a camera on my head. So subscribe if you haven't already. Get ready to 10k subscribers because we're not far off. We've just passed 8k. And I shall see you guys in the next video.